In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect WooCommerce towards Claude using an MCP connection, so you can automate your WooCommerce website and your store with Claude. So you can do some prompt engineering and ask it to create products, to review products. You can also ask it for some statistics, for example, during Christmas or during summer, which products sold the most, who is my #1 paying customer, and do I have upsells, all the statistics that you need for your WooCommerce store. You can do that. You can ask it via Claude. But mainly in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to connect, and also how to do your basic stuff. So asking some information, but also creating a variable product using Claude Desktop. So yeah, I'm using the free version of Claude in this video. So if you want to do it for free as well, you can tag along. And let's go straight into this video. All right, so I am in my WordPress environment. I have a demo test website set up currently. Let me go to the plugins and show you what I currently have installed. It's not that much. I just have Elementor, WooCommerce, and the WP file manager on this website. And for now, if I go to products, I just installed WooCommerce. You can see I only added one product. So let's go ahead and install everything that we need. So the very first thing that we are going to be needing is you need to go to your WooCommerce and you need to go to settings, click on advanced, and then go to features. Now, if you scroll down, there will be one feature called WooCommerce MCP, and you have to enable this one and save your changes. I already done this, so I'm not going to do it again, but you have to enable it and save your changes. Now, what you want to go ahead and do is go towards your REST API keys, which is also under advanced, and you're going to create an API key. This is needed for your Claude to connect towards WooCommerce. So you could give it a description if you would like. I'm going to give it just WooCommerce MCP. That's what I'm going to call it. The user is just the user that you are on your WordPress environment. This is my admin user, and the permissions are or should be read and write. Now generate the API keys, and you will get a consumer and a key and a consumer secret. Now make sure to copy these over into a notepad of some sort and save them there. Now, normally you don't need to share this information with anyone else. This is highly secure because if you would share this with me, I would be able to log into your website. Now, this is a demo website. I will be revoking this API key afterwards. You don't have permission, but make sure to never share this with anyone else. This is sensitive data. Okay, cool. So now we have the API key set up. What we now need to go ahead and do is install a WordPress plugin. Now, it is the WordPress MCP plugin. So you have to go to Google and search for WordPress MCP, which will bring you to this website. So here you see github.com/automatic/WordPress MCP. If you go to the right, you will see releases with a version number. If you click on this version number, it will bring you towards the latest version. You have to scroll all the way down. And here you have 3 assets. And at the top it says WordPress-mcp.zip. Simply click it and it will download this zip file, which is the MCP plugin. You will need to have this installed in order to connect to Claude. Once you have that downloaded, you will go to the plugins and click on add plugin, upload, and you can choose a file from your PC to upload. Here is WordPress MCP. I'm going to open it, click on install now. Now it's going to install the plugin, and I'm going to activate it as well. And there we go, WordPress MCP is now installed. Now what you need to go ahead and do is go to settings and then click on MCP. Make sure to have the enable MCP functionality enabled, the create and update tools also enabled. Now you want to go to authentication tokens, and you need to create an authentication token. I already have one, so I'm going to revoke this as it's no longer needed, as you can see. But I'm going to create a new one for 2 hours. I'm going to say generate new token. This will give you a token, which you're also going to copy over towards your notepad. And that is the token that you have. Now, if you go to documentation right here, it will give you for Claude Desktop, it will give you a JSON setup that you will need to paste into Claude. So right now I'm going to be showing you how you can install this as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead to Claude and you're going to start it up. As you can see, it says free plan. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go to File Settings and click on Developer Edit Config. Now it will already highlight a JSON file. So you're going to open this up. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code to open it up, but you could just use your notepad. And as you can see, this is what we get. Now we need to enable the MCP server. So I'm going to go back into here and I'm going to copy over the very first Claude Desktop configuration that we can get. So here you have your MCP servers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy over the WordPress MCP bit. I'm going to copy that in. There we go. Now you do need to have some changes here. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the log file because we don't need a log file. And as you can see, it's going to ask for a JWT token here. Now that is the first token, or the last one actually, that we copied over. So I'm going to copy that one in and paste it. It's a really long one, but this is needed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a comma at the end and add in 2 more records. So by adding a new JSON record, you just do a bracket or a parentheses with a double quote. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to write in woo underscore customer underscore key. And the value is going to be the, let's see, the CK value, right? Make sure to add a comma at the end. And then we're going to add a new one, woo underscore customer underscore secret. And then we're going to copy over the CS one. And that's it. You don't have to add a comma at the end because this is the last record in this collection. So I'm going to go ahead and save the file. I can now close this and close this. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go into Claude. You have to restart it manually in order to make sure that the changes take effect. So I'm going to exit Claude and I'm going to restart it again. So let's wait for this to start. There we go, afternoon you, it says. Now, how can we check if it's enabled? It's really simple. All we have to do is go into your file settings again, go to developer, and now you will see WordPress MCP is running, which is the MCP that we just did. And that's how you connect it. Now I'm going to be showing you what you can do with your prompts in order to, to make sure that you can work within WooCommerce and Claude. So let's go to here. You can also, by the way, go ahead and click on connectors, and there you see WordPress MCP. Now let's ask it to give us a list with the products we have. So I'm going to say, give me a list of products for the connection WordPress MCP. Now I always specify the connection in here because you can have multiple websites running at the same time and you don't want to, have a misunderstanding which website you're using. So we're going to use WordPress MCP. So give me a list of products for the connection WordPress MCP. So I'm going to hit send and it's going to go and check what products you currently have. And I already showed you in the beginning, we have one sweater. So it's loading and it's finding out. Here's the product found on your WooCommerce store. There we go, we have the sweater, it's a variable, this is the price, it's published, and there is in stock. It also says that we have, it's a variable product with 3 sizes and 3 colors with all the same price, 9 variations. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to go ahead and add in a new product. So let's see, I have two images that is a jeans. So I'm gonna drag in the two jeans, the images. As you can see, a black and a blue one. And I'm gonna say, I want you to create a new variable product. It is a jeans with two colors, blue and black. It should have three sizes, small, medium, large. I also want you to create a new category for this product called jeans. Assign this new product to the jeans category. The prices should be 70 euros for all jeans. I also want you to create all variations. Once done, publish the product and give me the URL. So let's post this to Claude. I am still using the free version, so let's see how far we will get. But yeah, here we go. Now it's gonna take care of everything. If you do this for the first time, you do have to allow some prompts. So I just clicked always allow, and now it's gonna be doing everything for us. So as you can see, it created jeans, created the category, and now it's doing the images. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and come back with you once this is done, because this will take some time, I believe. I didn't test this before, but let's see what will happen. So yeah, I will pause it and be back in a second. All right, so the prompt is finished. Now I do have to go ahead and rewrite the prompt without the images, because the free version of Claude, I already ran out of tokens using the image upload tool. So I rewrote the prompt without the images. But as you can see, what it did is it created the jeans category. It created the 6 variations of the jeans that we want. Sorry. And yeah, we have a variable product, category jeans with the right colors, blue, black, and 3 sizes, all at 70 euros in stock. And it gave me the product URL. So if we go to the products, you can see that it now created multiple jeans in our backend. And yeah, it actually added in the product itself. Now, as you can see, it doesn't have an image, but it does have separate IDs. Yeah, and it created it under the jeans, under jeans. But what you could do also is tell it to just create one product as a sweater with multiple variations. But I will not keep that in this video, because this is just to show you how you can set it up and what you can do with it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. In the next videos, we will also discuss WooCommerce for Claude, but we will also be connecting Elementor. So we have WooCommerce, Elementor, and WordPress and Claude. So we can go ahead and automate and build an entire website using AI, for this instance. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, let me know. If you want to see me do something else in the future, also let me know in the comments down below. And I will talk to you next week again in the newest video. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.